So guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. And right now, there is a trade that I'm about to take, and let me show you guys. The trade that I'm about to take is Euro USD. As you can see, the weekly time frame is bearish. This is the higher high, this is the higher low, and this is the lower high, and this is the lower. This is the lower low, sorry, and this is the lower high. So the daily time frame is bullish. This is the higher high and this is the higher low. The 4 hour is also bullish. We got the higher high. This was the lower low, and then this was the lower high. Then price shifted the structure, being this the higher high and making this the higher low. Then price broke above it, becoming this the higher high and this the new higher low. So I got the weekly bearish, the daily time frame bullish, and the 4 hour time frame bullish. So I need two consecutive time frames in sync before taking a trade or before being interested taking a trade. So I have the daily and the 4 hour bullish. Next, I have my daily area of interest, my level of support. As you can see, when we are below, we have a push to the downside. When we are above, we have a reaction to the upside. When we are above, we have a push to the upside. When we are below, we have a push to the downside. As you can see, this is a very, very well respected level of support. Then after that, I have my rejections from the area of interest. I have this bearish pin bar, bullish pin bar, doji, and then this is the bullish engulfing candlestick that engulfs 1, 2, 3, 4 candlestick, meaning that one single candlestick engulfs four days. So I have I have a checklist, and my checklist consists of trend, area of interest, entry signal, pattern. A pattern is a what I call not what I call because this was not created by me, but it's the head and shoulders. The head and shoulders consist of this: a left head and a right shoulder. Why do I like the head and shoulders? Because the head and shoulders is a reversal pattern. As you can see on the 4 hour time frame was bearish. As you can see, it was a strong sell-off. And then the head and shoulders means that this bearish trend is gonna shift from bearish to bullish now. So this is why I like the head and shoulders a lot, because it is a reversal pattern. So I have the 4 hour bullish. As I said, I have the trend, area of interest, and this signal and pattern. And the only thing that I'm waiting for is for this 2 hour candlestick to close, making this my morning star formation to then take this buy to the upside. So I'm gonna wait for this 36 minutes to close before me taking a trade, and I'll let you guys know when this candlestick closes. Yo, what's up, guys? I read the trade. The only thing that I didn't like about this trade was this morning star formation. This one right here. And what I did not like about it was that it was not as clear as I like. But that's the one that it was. That's what it is. It is what it is. So there is nothing that I can do about it. I don't have so much time in terms of day to let this trade run, because I have the little bit of the New York session. Asian session market doesn't move that good, and I have tomorrow London and the early of the New York session because tomorrow is Friday and I don't hold trades throughout the weekend, so I have to close this trade tomorrow because I don't hold trades throughout the weekend. So let's see what price is gonna do. I was also interested in USD CAD, but I was waiting for this break under the area of interest and then the retest. Since it did not do it, so it went up. So I avoided a loss. So thank God for everything. All glory is to God, and see you in a little bit. Alright guys, alright, market update, and as you can see price is clearly rejecting. That's what it seems like, rejecting this area of interest right here. And if price gets to stop loss, I wouldn't say that I don't care, but I assume it. I take it. I take that loss and just go to the next one. So this is my update. An hour ago, an hour later, sorry, and let's see what it does throughout the day. All right, boys. Market update. Uh, the market was actually very aggressive, and it closed very very aggressive. So for me, this is a loss trade. So for me, this trade already hit stop loss, even though has had it has not reached stop loss yet. But just continue to do with my day. It is currently 1:52 p.m. New York time. So let's see what it does.
Yo, what's up, guys? Good morning. Trade update, and this is what it did. Price did not do anything throughout London session and throughout last night. It did not do anything, so there is nothing that we can do about it other than just forget about it. And there is a very good opportunity on USDJPY, but this is not for today because today is Friday and the market is about to close. So I'm gonna close this trade probably at 2 p.m. because I don't like taking trades and holding it throughout the weekend. So and even a trade like this, because when I take a trade, I like to either to go straight to stop loss or straight to take profit. I don't like price to consolidate as much. So USDJPY, I'm just waiting for the head and shoulders to be confirmed. We got the left, the head, and the right shoulder. It is not a confirmed head and shoulders just yet because price has not broken the neckline. As soon as price breaks the neckline, it is a confirmed head and shoulders. And it will also tell me that this trend is gonna shift from bullish to bearish because this is the higher high and this is the higher low right here. So as soon as price breaks the neckline, the trend is going to shift from bullish to bearish. And we got the weekly bearish. This is the lower low and this is the lower high. We got the daily bearish. This is the lower low, this is the lower high. And we have the 4-hour bullish, but when price close under, confirming the head and shoulders, we will have the 4-hour bearish. So I have 3 time frames in sync. So this is powerful. I also like how price closed uh, at this area of interest with these weak fills. So this entry signal is very nice. So price is rejecting this area of interest right here, and it's giving me a very very good indication that next week we can come back and fill those weeks. The only thing that I don't like about this trade is this level of support that we have right here. And I don't want to take a trade, for example, right here, because I'll then be selling into a support. I'm going to smash my hair, my face. And I would like to take a trade right around here with a stop loss right here and with a minimum of a 1 to 2 restore wall. That's all I need. And that's all I need, basically. This trade did not do anything. I was waiting for it to break under yesterday after breaking the neckline of the left head and right shoulders. I was waiting for a break under the EMA, the area of interest, sorry. So then sell. Did not do it. So I avoided, thanks to God, I avoided a potential loss. So, but for now, I'm gonna stay watching your USD and I'll update you guys how it goes. What's going on, guys? I'm here, trade update, and I decided to close my trade probably around break even 9 pips away from the entry point. And today's Friday, so the market is about to close. And I didn't want to hold this trade throughout the weekend, so I decided to close it. But for Monday, I have USD CAD. I'm waiting for the retest to sell. This is gonna be a massive sell. I love this pattern. I love this trade, and I also have USD JPY. So those are the top two trades that I'm gonna be waiting uh, for next week. I'm not gonna show you all the trades that I'm gonna be interested in. I'm gonna make another video for that. So that was it, guys. If you guys like this video and you want me to keep showing how I trade, how I operate, so let me know in the comments and see you guys.